Ninja, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited about this video because I bought my dream machine. Ta-da! Okay, editing like a machine varo ipodike ana na vandu okay. Yes, I bought Cricut Explorer Add 2. This is going to be a game changer in my DIY journey. For people who don't know about Cricut machine, it is basically a cutting machine. We can do lots of DIY projects using this machine. I'm super excited to share with you guys what all DIY projects I plan to do with this. So please stay tuned to know more about this machine and what I'm going to do with this. In this video mainly we are going to see the unboxing of the machine and how I'm going to set it up. Okay, without any further ado, let's get into the video.
Okay, let's go ahead and open this baby up. I'm so excited. Ta-da! It comes with a cutting mat, the blue one, which is the light grip one, and then here we have this booklet. It has all the basic infos like what all projects you can do with this and the materials that you can cut with this machine. I'll read that later. Let's get started. What's inside this envelope? Unleash this beauty. Get connected. Make a little something and look at this page. This is kind of cute. And then we have some papers here. Some warranty stuff. And then we have a welcome note. And few cardstock papers that we can use while doing the test cutting. Okay, I'll lift the machine from the box. What is left over in this box is few cards and this pen. And we have this silicone pouch. That's all. Okay. Oh my god, I love this color. It's a beautiful color. And we have few settings here, which is paper, vinyl, iron-on, like cardstock, bonded fabric, and then poster board. Okay, we can even cut poster boards here, and look how nice it opens. Oh my god, so satisfying. And in this header we have one slot where your blade goes and the other one is where you insert your pen so that the machine can draw and cut. And we have a space for all your tools. You can hold your tools in that. Okay, let's go ahead and connect the power cord. And we have another cord which you can use to connect it with your Mac. You can also connect it via Bluetooth. Okay. Okay, I'll show you guys how did I set up the machine. Just open Chrome or any browser that you are using. Go to cricut.com/setup. You'll get this page. Select the machine that you are using and you have to download the app now, the Design Space. It's downloading. Just move to your applications. Where it is, yeah. Now, yeah, it's loading. Give your personal information, your mail, and set yourself a password. Your first name, last name, and where you're from, your location. Agree to the terms and conditions. Just check the box. Okay, select which mission you're using. I'm going for Explorer Family and prepare your workspace. Yeah, your sheet goes behind the mission while it is cutting, so leave some space. Okay, it's connecting. Yeah, the setup is done. Okay, let's do the test cut. My husband wanted to cut the bear. Don't even ask why. Okay, I'll get the mat ready. I'm using the cardstock paper that came with the mission. I didn't get the Cricut tools yet. I've ordered it. It is yet to come. I'm just using the scraper that I had. And whatever material you're using, select the material. I'm going for cardstock. And then I'm just inserting the mat. Make sure you insert it properly so that it doesn't get stuck. Okay, after load, just click on the load button. It is the same for load and unload, the same button. And when your machine is ready to cut, this go button starts blinking. Press that. Cutting progress. Yes, it's cutting. Oh my god. It's After it finishes the cutting, just click on the unload button. It would have been quite easy if I had the tool. Okay, I'm just going to take it out with my hand. Oh my god, look at the details. So cute, it's freaking cute. I love it. Okay, this is how the design space looks. You have lots and lots of templates and lots of ideas here. Some of the templates are for free, and some of them you have to pay for some of them. And you can create your own project here.
Thank you for watching, love. Stay awesome, stay cool, stay blessed, stay love. Bye. ஏதோ ஒளறிருக்கேன் பிச்சு பிச்சு போட்டு எடிட் பண்ண வேண்டியதான்.